Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk through how to apply a short-term work permit to Namibia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Republic of Namibia Ministry of Home Affairs, Immigration, Safety and Society website. If you go to services, okay, sorry, if you go under e-services, you're gonna come here where you have like employment permit and then short-term employment permit work visa. Employment permit says that it will be launched soon, so I'll make a video once it is there. But this one you can go through short-term employment permit. So this grants you the permit to work up to 6 months. Okay, and you can apply this online. All right. So what are the things you need? You need to complete visa application form, copy of passport, copy of certified copy of qualification, employment letter from employer, okay, proof of contract, and filming application if required, media application, tour operator application, police clearance for certificate from the country of origin, okay, radiological report, and medical certificate, okay. Like accordingly, fee is 1100 Namibian dollar, okay, for 1 to 3 months, or Namibian $2200, 1 to 6 months upon approval, okay. All right. So they have given all the documents also here. Like if you go for employment permit, it's the same form that I have shown you in the tourist visa also. But here the only thing is you need to fill as per your case. But I'll still go through it. Surname, first name, maiden name, if applicable, gender, marital status, your previous stay in Namibia information, your health. If you say any of yes, like if you have ever worked there or refused entry or deported, you need to provide that information. Your date of birth, citizenship, passport, current address, then occupation, where you work information, and if you are being accompanied by your wife and children, their information. Then how much money you'll have when you arrive in Namibia, return ticket, onward ticket. Then for work, you're gonna do this, where you're gonna come, purpose, details, what you're gonna visit, doctor, hospital, if for medical reason that's not in our case, where you're gonna stay, okay, and if you have any relatives, their information, if you have ever visited before, that information, and where you will go after Namibia, that information, date sign, okay. Next is the medical certificate, power of attorney if applicable, radiological report form. Radiologists need to fill this up, so you don't need to worry about it. Same thing for medical, they'll fill the form, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay. Now, the very first thing is to register if you don't have an account. So when you click on register, you come here, name, email address, password, and confirm password, and then you can register. And you can also sign it with Google if you want. So I'm gonna register and then I'm gonna see you guys here. Now, uh, I can click here, short-term permit. So now you're gonna do like new application. So you're gonna click on new application. Okay, so I need to do verification that I haven't done. I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so what I did, I first of all verified the link and I logged in. So now I reached here again, application type. If you're doing for self, then go for self, save and proceed. Step one, okay, you need to provide your details. So I'm gonna just put some sample details. John Smith, marital status, single, gender, male, date of birth. You need to do as per your case, not like what I'm doing. country of birth, with whatever is applicable in your case. It's not mine, okay? Citizenship, passport number, place of issue, date of issue. It's better to use date selector. Yeah. Travel, valid for travel, yes. Okay, now there's some more questions. At any time applied to have you at any time settled permanently? I said no. Restricted or refused entry, have been deported? I said no. Committed any crime, convicted of any crime, suffering any contagious disease? I select no. Next, residential address. I'm gonna put some sample. You put nicely, okay. Address of residence country for which you are a permanent residence. Period. Occupation. I'm putting sample, but you provide perfect details. Employer name, address. I think a lot of validations will fail because of this, but let's see. Wow. Travel details. Will you have money on arrival? Yes. How much in Namibian dollars? I'm just putting sample. Position of onward return ticket. Intended date of arrival. I'll select Jan 21. Port of arrival. Duration of stay 5 months. Nature of business explained. Address file in Namibia. Do you have any relatives in Namibia? No. Have you visited Namibia before? No. Contribute professionally to professionally to publications, radio, television, film. I say destination after leaving Canada. Uh, leaving. Okay. Proceed. Okay. So what are the things they have? Passport, photo, upload your scan copy of passport, scan copy of highest qualification, CV, motivation letter, medical certificate, radiologist, police clearance certificate. Okay, so after this, all the details are here. Next, you'll complete a declaration and proceed and then submit and pay the fee. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but now you know what are the things to be done. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.